Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am texlaxing my daughter's 4C virgin hair. First I'm going to protect my hands and I'm also going to protect her skin closer to the hairline so that we don't get any burning. So previously I detangled the hair and sectioned it so that the process of texlaxing will take a very short time and make it easy. So we set our timer to 15 minutes and we got started. There was no time to waste because we only had 15 minutes. So I am roughly and quickly applying to all sections so that I can get the whole hair covered and started. So I was basically applying to the whole bunch, like the section where I twisted out, and pressing that relaxer in so that it gets into every strand. And then later on I will go back to every section and cover it properly with the relaxer and make sure every hair is covered and smooth it out as I am doing that. As you can see, I'm using my hands. I'm not using any combs because the results we desire in this process is texlax, meaning it will still have some texture. As you can see, I did not apply the relaxer the first round to her front hairline, and that's what I'm doing now. I'm covering now the front hairline because we are almost, getting closer to the end. So everything is covered, but I'm going to go in one more time and make sure everything is well covered and smooth out because again we had extra relaxer and we still had some more time, so I was gonna go in anyway and stretch it more with my fingers and keep doing that. Oh, and for where I started relaxing or texlaxing this hair was from the back of her head because that's where her hair is most coarse, so it needed more processing there than the front of her hair. And for the relaxer we use the ORS normal relaxer for this process. So I am still smoothing out the hair with my hand, making small sections and going over it and a little bit pulling and smoothing so that the hair is comes out a little bit straight but then with some texture. And we were able to finish these right on time before the 15-minute mark, and it's all covered and we are ready now to go wash this hair out.
I'm excited.
You're excited?
Very excited.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. It's so soft.
Have you ever had soft hair like this?
No?
Now do you?
Maybe whenever I was a baby, but
Do you like it?
yes, I can't even really see it.
It's texlaxed. It's not straight. So this is like exactly what we wanted, right?
Yeah.
It's soft but not straight.
It's like here if you like took a blow dryer and
Yeah.
like blow dried it, but like not all the way.
Yeah. So now we're going to put I know there's a lot of sun coming from the window.
I look pale.
Blessings. You look what?
Pale.
Why?
Because there was water on my face and it didn't do anything.
Oh, I see why it burnt you. But don't touch it. But because you were scratching that area too much.
Okay. You should have done this sooner.
Right? Like when you were 7 or something?
Yeah, whenever you were like about to do it.
By that time? Oh, when I asked you first and then you got scared, right?
Yeah, like my hair was gonna fall out. Oh my goodness.
Okay, so we're going to put the conditioner and leave it for
10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes under what?
Plastic bag or like a cap or something.
Yeah.
Plastic cap.
We're going to put the oil moisturizing hair lotion and then we will put a heat protectant. So after the conditioner, we washed the hair and I applied the moisturizer and the heat protectant, and then I decided, you know what, I'm going to flat iron it and give it a nice trim, and that's what I did. The stretching made her hair really long, but this flat ironing is not something I will do often for her hair, because I know her hair, even when it was natural, it did not like the heat, so we will always maybe be just, you know, air drying it. And she's very excited. As you can see, she's very happy about the results. So I'm giving it a little trim, even though I had already trimmed this hair about like maybe 2 weeks or a month prior to this. And we're liking the results that we got. So she did not get to walk around during the day with her hair out and straight for the first time, because it was already night and she was gonna go to bed. So I was styling it for her and making sure everything lays down and putting it in a ponytail so that she can, you know, go to bed with the hair held together nicely. So in general, we are happy with the results. It's a new thing to us. This was her first time texlaxing her hair, or even using relaxer on her hair. I am also natural, so this is a new thing in our house, so we will see how it goes, but otherwise we are happy. This is what she wanted, this is what she gets. You know, she's the princess.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh my goshness.